This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Cajun jollof rice. First, you need to gather all your core ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. You will need washed rice, a vibrant blend of tomatoes and peppers, and aromatic spices. A good quality stock, maybe 4 cups, is essential for a deeply flavored rice. Also, 1 large onion and 2 Scotch bonnet peppers will add depth and a gentle kick to the dish. Next, let us craft the rich, flavorful base for your jollof rice. Begin by blending your fresh tomatoes, bell peppers, onion, and Scotch bonnets into a fine puree. Heat a generous amount of oil, about 1/2 cup, and fry some sliced onion until it is beautifully fragrant. Then, introduce the tomato paste, frying it well to deepen its color and flavor, before adding your blended mixture to simmer until it is thick and rich. Now it is time to bring everything together for that authentic jollof rice flavor. Incorporate your curry powder, thyme, and bay leaves into the sauce, then pour in about 3 cups of stock and bring it to a boil. Gently add your washed rice, spreading it evenly, and then seal the pot tightly. Allow the rice to cook on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes, letting it steam perfectly without lifting the lid. For that coveted party jollof smoky flavor, a little charring is key. After about 25 minutes, check your rice. If it needs more liquid, add another 1/2 cup of stock and reseal. To get that distinct smokiness, allow a small amount of rice at the bottom to char on very low heat for 5 minutes. Then, turn off the heat, keeping the pot covered, and let it rest for another 10 to 15 minutes. This resting ensures perfectly separated, flavorful grains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.